Kasangki dong di do apo sor Nongstoin kabelatip kum ko Nongstoin Butcher and Social Welfare Association kapentip pajba bah ka khan retorik Rymphang Atiar pulai anam don dok masi ba dok sniang apo sor Nongstoin borok away. Uba UN mar bniang secretary ketika senjok lo itu bakadaw baka senjok ka khang bandi do ha ketika sngi kadai nomor bakan don kejing libam khana sngobha jongki nong oddo baki nong di do ha ketika sngi kumta ula kerpat iki pajba nong bam do bas ngobha banyai sya lambat ki ha ketika sngi
kaseng Nongstoin Butcher and Social Welfare Association ka pentip isi barok kipai ba nong jokasa Nongstoin bahaka khandri turik mulai fab alga afulai anam dan dok masi ba dok sniang asa Nongstoin berkowe namar bakadon ke jinglai bang khana so bahai juni kino do ha dikasi kumta na le kaseng kapat di barok ki pai ba jokasa Nongstoin ba fisio ba banya shalem bani nam tak dikasi kebatang sisi memang dan setia dikasi nama kecingnya bom khana dan kini kecil pentip kebanyak lebih kecil pentip sekali.
Congress commitment to Meghalaya. Power cut free Meghalaya. Congress is committed to providing 24/7 uninterrupted electricity to every home and industry in Meghalaya.
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Meghalaya has gone from being a power surplus state to one that suffers from power deficit. Is this the Meghalaya we desire? For ourselves, it's time to speak up about the issues that are hindering Meghalaya's progress. Share your suggestions with Modi ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 8360006060. Together, this 27th February, let's empower Meghalaya.